Hi guys, Bobby D here. I'm going to show you how you can make $15 per hour using your smartphone. Now this is the 2019 version and this is great if you're looking at making some quick, easy money. Now, I'm going to show you the latest version, 2019. This works worldwide. You can do it anywhere. You can do it from your phone, from your laptop, sitting in the back of your car. You can literally do this anywhere you want, guys. There is, it's so easy. This is perfect if you're a newbie. If you're new to internet marketing, if you've never made your first dollar online, you are 100% going to make money with this. And I'll tell you why you're going to make money, because they give you 75 cents just for signing up. All right, it's brilliant. It's an ideal way to make super simple money. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you exactly what you need to do. I'll show you the website you need to go to. I'll show you how you sign up for it, and I'll show you how it works. There are loads of different jobs on this website for you guys to carry out, from simple jobs that can take a minute to longer jobs that can take 15 minutes, half an hour. You get paid anything from 20 cents to $10, all right? It depends on what you're doing. But this is a great method, guys, and I highly recommend that you look at this and that you take action. There's too many people out there that don't take action, all right? These websites work. You've just got to put the action into it. This is just absolutely, honestly, it's one of the best sites I've come across. It's the latest version and it works. If you want to make money every day, it gets no easier than this. It really is the easiest way to make money online using your smartphone. Now, once you look at this method, if you think, oh, it's not for me, then look at my channel, guys. There is loads more content on there, all right? There's hundreds of videos, hundreds of affiliate marketing reviews on the best products, and hundreds of videos on how you can make money starting today, okay? And you really can. All I ask from you guys, this is all free content. I offer everything for free. All I ask is that you hit that subscribe button there or there, guys. Just hit the subscribe button for me and sign up to my channel. Because if you do, I will send you all my latest reviews. You're going to get all my latest affiliate product reviews. And quite often I run little competitions, get free products, get free cash, and I don't want you guys missing out on it, okay? So that is it from me, guys. Please, if you do one thing today, hit the subscribe button for me. I'm Bobby D from BobbyDOnlineMarketing.com. Enjoy the video, take action, leave some comments below, tell me how you're getting on, and I will speak to you all soon. Many thanks. Let's get on with the training. Hi guys, so this is a great website for making a part-time income. Now it's called PicoWorkers.com, and basically it's a platform where employers post jobs for you, the worker, to do. And these are all really simple jobs, and the best bit is they all pay money. Now some of the things you may be asked to do are sign up to a website, test an app that they've got, write a review about a product, write a review about a blog or a website, take a survey, transcribe something. There is literally so many different options on here. And what it means for you is you can do quick, small or ongoing jobs. You can select the jobs that you like, choose whichever ones you want, submit that you've done it, super easy, and you get paid. It is that easy. And you get paid immediately. A lot of these sites you have to wait till the end of the month. Sometimes you have to wait 2 months. This one pays you after the task is finished and accepted. So it's really good. So you actually do get paid daily. Now there's 2 different types of job that you can do. You can do a small job, and that's a simple, easy to do job. And these literally can take between 5 and 15 minutes, and you can do as many as you want throughout the day. And normally it's something really simple like send a tweet, look at a website, look at some images and say which one you like best. Super easy stuff that takes literally minutes to do. And then you've got the ongoing jobs. Now these are, you'll do some transcribing of some audio, review applications, hire people, act as somebody's VA. All right, look at their CV, give advice about things. Now these jobs pay a lot more, but they are more in depth than the quick, fast jobs. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is go to picoworkers.com and sign up for an account. You literally just put your name, an email, and that's it. And then you'll get an email link and you confirm it and you're in. Now as soon as you sign up, they give you a 75-cent bonus straight away. So technically you've made some money. All right. Now this site isn't going to get you rich, but it is great if you've got half hour spare, or you're sitting in the car or you're bored, just bash it out on your phone and you can start making some easy money. So these are some of the small jobs that you can do. Simple, sign up to a website. You get point of 24 pence. Verify you're not a robot. Family support network. All these are website sign-ups basically. Sign up for a loyalty card. Sign up for a newsletter. These are all sign-ups, and they pay low because they're so easy. They take 10 seconds. All right, but you do 4 of them, you've made $1. How many can you do in a day? You can easily make a lot of money doing this. Okay. You've then got your ongoing jobs, 50 cents per task, $1 per task, and that's playing a game on an iPhone. Playing World of Warships, you get $1 a go. I'll do that. Voiceover artists, $1. Transcribing, visiting websites, daily tasks. It's all there. Writing articles, lot of stuff. Now you notice some of these there's a maximum that you can earn per month. That one's you can earn a maximum of $15 a month, $12 a month, $6 a month, $30 a month. You do just them 4 there. That's $30, $40, $50, $57, $64. It could take you an hour, or $64 an hour. That's more than I get paid. So sign up for your bonus. You then go into my jobs, and this shows you what jobs that you've accepted. I won't have any at the moment. Your ongoing jobs are here, and these are the jobs that are currently offering. If it's got this in it, it means you can accept it. So that one there, daily tasks, you get paid 60 cents. So let's go into it and have a look. So this is the page you get presented with. There's a deadline, 31 people are doing it. You have to do it for a few hours a day over a month. And it says, I need serious workers from the USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia. This is important. Make sure you're in the countries that you say. And you can earn $20 a day by signing up for offers, completing surveys. You need a PC, stable connection, and be organized. Super easy, that one. Okay. Let's have a look at another one. Small tasks on Facebook. That's not accepting workers at the moment. You basically just got to scroll through them all. Now they do get filled up straight away. The best time is to catch this in the morning when the jobs go out. As you can see, a lot of these are not accepting at the moment because it's the afternoon. So you need to catch that in the morning, ideally, and then you're more likely to be accepted. And they're all basically the same. He pays 50 cents per task. Sign up to websites, watch YouTube videos, like them. Really good. All right. So great website. Super easy to make money on. It really is super easy. And there's some, you can post jobs at the top here. And I love it. I think it's a really great way. If you're not really skilled at stuff, you could do this all day long and just bash out some jobs. So that's Pico Workers, guys. Remember, what you need to do is take action. If you don't take action, you're not going to make any money. So that's it for this review video. Guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe, please, and hit the bell. Don't miss out on all my great content that's coming. I'm Bobby D. Thanks for listening. I'll speak to you soon.